Now we will go to the writing part. So, tumalokar bohi, column, aru, eraser. Uliala, show me if you have something in front of you. Okay. Take us a day. So we go here. So, so when you will be practice these letters at home, there is a website link. I will send it to your WhatsApp. I will just show you quickly. Let me see. So when you want to practice at home, this is already there. Practice along, like you will hear it. A, Harsoi, Dirghoi, Harsou, Dirgho, Ri, E, Oi, O, O. So you can try it at in your phone handheld device. It could be phone, it could be iPad or any thing, or even in your computer. Okay. So I will send this link to you. Now we are going to write the writing. So for the writing also, there is an app we have. So you can, using your touchpad or your computer mouse, you should be able to write it. So first I will show you all these things. So you can select your ink and you can swap. Enake likhila. So you can do all this practice. Tumalage ghar practice koribo para. Oh, so it's okay. But
I think
yeah.
I think you already posted this to Google.
Yes, exactly. Kintu etia moi tumalokok live dekhwai, not using this app. Moi tumalokok just more touchscreen pad di moi tumalokok dekhwai. Just let me bring my pen to start with, okay? So Aniska, have you ever practiced? Tumalage likhibo jana ne? Ketiaba practice korisa?
No.
No, right? Okay. It's okay. And what about Shreya? Shreya ketiaba practice korisa? Okay. And Arnab, tumi saga practice korisa, right? Okay.
Yes, I practiced yesterday.
Okay, no problem. Thik ase. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you what I'm doing. So this is just a pad I'm using. The prothom ami practice krim or kenake likhe. Okay? So follow with me. First, you have to have a line. Okay? Let me make it a little bigger. Ako moi korim dei. So, okay. Observe what I'm going to do. Prothomate line. Okay? Draw your line. Then there's a gulla, like a circle. Then this, a curve. Then pull out down a line at a line laka. Then you just connect it. Oh. Okay? We will show you one more time. So first at a line, tarbisot is laddu, like a circle. Tarbisot tumar a little curve. Okay? Then aqua the line straight down, or then you connect. Etu tumar curve logot connect. So this is A. And A has in Okhomia, every vowel have their normally a brother or a sister, whatever you want to say it. A has a brother. His name is A. Okay. Tumalake etu ako aka A to likha. You make one more A. We'll do one more A. Bottom the line. Tabisat laddu. Tabisat curve. Tabisat ako the line. Then you connect it. It is A to ki hobo. So you draw one more line
You
here.
have one more line.
Yes. And connect here and give a little pigtail. So this is A. O and A. All set? Shreya likhila?
Yeah.
Arnab likhila?
Yeah.
Niska likhila? Okay. So next,
Oh.
O A hoi gol. Etia ami likhim Hursoi. So first line dalaka. Then laddu eta dia. Then you go down, stop there, and come back. It's more like a 2 in your English, and then there is the antenna. Okay, or we call tikoni. So this is Hursoi. I will show you what I did. Line, circle, then this, then this. Okay, this is Hursoi. So it's ami dirghoi to likhim. As I said, Hursoi ro eta brother ase. Okay. So prothomate line, tarpisot circle. Tarpisot you come down. This is a little tricky. Go up and then make a little curve. And then finally this one. This is dirghoi. Do you want me to show one more time? So lines, circle, then this one, it is coming like this, down, then up, then again like this. Then this tikoni. Dirghoi. Okay? So next we will try Hursoi. So we have a line, then one line goes straight down, then he makes a turn around like this, and like a ghuribo. Tarpisot iaro eta tikoni ase. Hursoi. Hursoi likha hol?
Oh.
Okay, bohia. Etia ami dirgho, the next brother to likhim day, next Hursoi brother. So okay, you follow the line, then this, tarpisot A2. So as it is a big brother, he has a little extra tail here. Dirgho. Yeah, dirgho. Likha hol?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, very good. And the next one is difficult, okay? But I will try to help. So that is re likhim de. So remember, re doesn't have that hat or that line, okay? So first I have to make a triangle. Little bit differently, the triangle. So be triangle to banwa. And this triangle has a tail like this. Triangle, that's a tail. And then he also plays a special instrument with his way. You see, he plays an instrument. Maybe a flute or maybe a special one from Assam. So this is re. All good? Boria. So
Yeah.
next আমি এটা লিখিম a. This is easy. প্রথমটা laddu, like a circle, at a line down, then there is a wave. That is a.
Wait a second. Yep. I'm done.
All good? Can I go to next
Yeah.
one? Okay. As I said, A has also
Yeah.
a brother. So again, let's start. Circle to aka, then ekhini aka. Then all the brothers normally have an extra something on their shape. So this A has, the big brother has.
A line on its back.
Yes, line on his back. Over there. Like antenna. Okay, this is OE. All good?
Yep.
Oh, very good. Next is O. So a circle. Then you have like a curve going inside. Then no. Come back. Add. Oh, I made
A
it.
3.
Yeah, like
So
yeah, like a this 3. Here you go. O. Kaka likha hol. Very good.
I'm done.
Likha hol. Okay. So
Oh.
O has also a brother. So same thing. We will start circle. Tabishat curve like a 3. Then he has another long antenna or tail. O. All set?
Yep.
Perfect. That's all for writing. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Very good. That's what I wanted to hear. এতিয়া আমি কি কৰিলো? আমি পঢ়িলো। কি কৰিলো? আমি পঢ়িলো। কোৱা একেলগে কোৱা। আমি পঢ়িলো। আমি লিখিলো।
আমি পঢ়িলো।
আমি লিখিলো। Okay?